Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So as you can see, today we have the December 2019 Glamour Jewelry box. They have gone from a box to a mailer, which I think is really good. Before we get into the video, first I want to say welcome. If you are new, my name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do jewelry, beauty, lifestyle, pets, snacks, fashion, and accessories. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. And as always, guys, if you enjoy the video, please do give it a thumbs up. But let's get into Glamour Jewelry Box. So this is a $29.95 a month subscription. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. I do have a promo code as well, Southern10, which will get you 10% off. So let's go ahead and see what we got in our December 2019 Glamour Jewelry box. All right. Oh, they wrote on the back, it says, Nikki, we hope your holidays are filled with love and joy. Happy holidays. And then, so there's the little personal note. And then here it says, joy and love. This month's jewelry collection is perfect for the holidays. Your outfits will be enhanced and you'll be looking your best during the special time of year. We hope your new jewelry pieces bring you joy. So that is super sweet. And then everything is in this little like velvet or velour bag that says Glamour Jewelry. So let's see what we got. Oh, I see some gorgeous stuff. Okay. So we have some cards here that tell us like the brand and more about each piece. So let's see, what is this one? This is for, oh, it's a bracelet. Oh, okay. So this is the Sophie collection. This is the Elisa cuff. It says the Elisa cuff bracelet features sparkling rhinestones that wrap perfectly around your wrist. This cuff is an easy way to go bold and look on trend for the season. And this is has a retail price of $23. So you can see there how sparkly it is. And I personally really like bracelets like this because they are super easy to just kind of pop onto your wrist and go. So there you can see it is on. It is really, it's like comfy, it's not tight. And I think it definitely does give that like added little something. It's super gorgeous. So I love that. And then this is Laurel and Rose, the Courtney Crawlers. Intricate stones are beautifully arranged to make this stunning set of studs. These crawlers can be worn in two different orientations, curved in or out, making it a versatile piece. Retail value is $24. So here they are. There's some earrings. And that's one thing I really like about crawler type earrings is you can wear them like this way going up your ear. You can wear them this way going out, or you could even turn them upside down and wear them to where they kind of come down and they actually don't do the crawl effect. But these are really, really pretty. They are, to me, they're simple but gorgeous. Like they are delicate, but they make a statement. I just think they're so beautiful. So there are those. And then the final piece, because you do get 3 pieces every month, and it is usually earrings, a necklace, and a bracelet. This is Madison Parker. This is the Main Street necklace. 3 metal discs threaded through a delicate chain make for a simple and modern piece. The floating disc gives it a carefree, effortless look, perfect for the work to happy hour transition. This is a $27 retail value. And now with Glamour Jewelry Box, one thing I do like is you can, you know, let them know, hey, I like silver, I like gold, rose gold, things like that. Sometimes the pieces do just come in one certain color, but I just think that all the pieces regardless. And one thing I love about Glamour Jewelry is it has gotten me outside of my comfort zone, where before I would only wear silver or white gold. Well, now I love rose gold, and I've gotten to where I actually do enjoy wearing gold jewelry. So I think this necklace is absolutely gorgeous. Again, it is simple, delicate, but it's like, hey, I'm here, notice me at the same time. And I just think, again, it's just stunning. So that is I think I may have had it backwards. I guess you really could wear it either way, but one side is solid, one side is kind of open. You're gonna work with me here. There, you can see there that where it's like a solid. So I think that is pretty, and it does have an extender, a really good length extender. So it should work for everyone, which I love. So I think that this collection for December 2019 was amazing. Again, this necklace, simple, dainty, but elegant. The same thing, earrings, they're simple, but you know, they're not huge, like dangly or in your face, but they are just absolutely gorgeous. Same thing here with this bracelet. It's just stunning. And it gives you that sparkle, which I love. So again, this is the December 2019 collection from Glamour Jewelry. Let me know what you guys think. I will leave again the link down below if you would like to check them out, as well as the promo code Southern10 so you can save 10% off. I think it is amazing. Now, they do also have a single piece plan. I do want to let you guys know about that. It is $14.95 a month, and what I really like about that is you actually get to go in when you sign up for that plan, and you get to select certain pieces and kind of put them into like your wish list, and they will send you a piece from that collection or from that list each month. So you get to kind of choose what you want. And again, that is only $14.95. So we'll put that link. Check out Glamour Jewelry either for the 3-piece collection or even the single piece set each month. Again, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. It means so much to me. I love you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I will see you on the next one. Bye.